Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's Kitchen. Today I show you how to make tomato curry with sardines. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have half teaspoon haldi powder, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, jeera powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 green chili slit, 4 petals of kokum, 4 cloves of garlic cut into strips, small piece of ginger cut into strips, 2 spring onions chopped fine, and spring onion greens. Here I have fresh sardines which I have cleaned, washed and applied salt. Here I have puree of 6 medium fresh tomatoes. Salt as per your taste, water as required and 4 tablespoons of oil. Here I have pan with oil which is hot. Now we'll add the chopped onion. And onion green. We'll saute it till it turns translucent. Onion is done. Now we'll add the ginger and the garlic. And again we'll saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we'll add the tomato puree. Add water as required. Now we'll add the kokum petals, green chilies and all the masalas. Add salt as per your taste. Give it a good mix. Now we'll add the fish. Again we'll mix. And we'll cook this on a medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Our curry is done. Our sardine tomato curry is ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.